Hey everyone! Today we're going to be unboxing something. And I actually don't even know exactly what it is. So we're gonna see. Okay, so I'm gonna do the cutting.
So this is actually the new LED light for the door sill. It's on sale on the Tesla website for $320 for the pair. You can get all four of these from Hansshow for the price of two from Tesla.
So go check the website out and
You can use a promo code EXA67. I'll put a link down below.
so go check the link out in the description.
And you'll be able to save a little bit of cash.
Go check it out, guys. It's super cool.
Certainly well packed. Came by FedEx from China. Came quite quickly, actually.
And there will be another video of how to install it, and you'll kind of just see also what it looks like. So make sure to go check that video out after you watch this video. Okay. Almost finished with a bunch of stuff to
Yeah.
open.
So here we go.
Big reveal. So we're going to take a look and you guys at the same time.
Here we go. So we
I
have
want to open this part up. Bubble wrap. Hashtag love bubble wrap.
so here's two of the seals, the window sills lighted, and that's how it's going to
this is
fasten
super
onto
cool.
the car.
Reflective. Okay. And then there is.
Oh yeah. So this is the magnet that's going to switch, this is actually the, I think this is the trigger. Let's see, are there instructions here? Nope, no instructions. We'll have to figure out how to install it on our own. That's why I'll make the installation video, but essentially there's two parts. There's one is the metal. There's two of these sill portions that go on the actual door sill. And then there's a magnet that'll activate when the door is in the closed position. Oh, here's the little magnets. Here you go. So that's what's going to trigger the device to turn on.
So yeah, this is the unboxing portion of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment down below what type of videos you want to see on this channel, and if you're going to go buy one. And subscribe so you can see more videos from us, and so you could stay tuned for the video where we show how to install. Thank you guys so much. We love you all.